Hi, I'm Tom Lawrence. I'm 68 years old, happily retired. Have been retired for 5 years now. And last year, I started struggling with back pain. And it was very disheartening. Going into retirement, you're going to accomplish and get to do all the things you want to do. It's like, oh, I'm finally going to have time for golf. And my kids started blessing me with grandchildren, and then this back pain happened, and I needed to find solutions for that. Well, retirement was going along really well until late January of 24. I'm helping my son move, and all of a sudden my back just screamed at me, almost put me to my knees, brought tears to my eyes. I was in so much pain, and I thought, oh Lord, what did I do? So of course I sought medical help, and I went to several doctors, different chiropractors, massage therapists, and no relief. The big recommendation from everybody, all the doctors, were I've got to have surgery, got to have back surgery, and they wanted to put steel rods in a cage and big screws in my back, and I didn't want anything like that. So I sought alternative medicine. So I did physical therapy. I tried acupuncture. I tried different chiropractors, massage therapy, and things would give you temporary relief, but not complete relief at all, not even close. And finally one day, I was fortunate enough to get a postcard in the mail from Abundant Health. And I thought, wow, this sounds interesting. Alternative medicine and something instead of surgery. And so I attended the event and decided to start getting treated by Dr. Gutzman. And thank God I did, because I feel like a new person. Okay, as far as doubts or fears, I had none, except for one I was a little concerned with. There's a hyperbaric chamber, and I'm a little claustrophobic. MRIs, was the first thing that came to mind, because it reminded me of that, and I can't do MRIs unless they give me something to relax me, and I just keep my eyes closed the whole time. So I was a little worried about that, but after I got in it and started enjoying the treatments, I actually look forward to them now. They're an hour long, and many a time, once I'm in the chamber, I just close my eyes and relax, and I'm into sometimes I actually fall asleep in it. It's very comforting, and I love it now. So I went from being apprehensive to looking forward to it. So it's a good experience. Well, after considering all the other alternatives out there, it just all looked promising, and I'm a kind of guy that loves cutting edge. I love technology, and I thought, wow, these are things that red light therapy, hyperbaric chambers, all these kinds of new approaches to medicine to treat they all seem to want to treat the cause of my pain rather than the symptoms. It's like I didn't want to, like, for example, massage therapy. Sure, I felt great. I felt better. I should say I didn't feel great, but I always felt better after getting a deep tissue massage, but it was very short-lived. Many times by the end of the same day, I'm back to where I was before I went. So the alternative medicine of trying to get to the root cause rather than just treat the symptoms really appealed to me, and that's why I decided to go with Abundant Health. Well, since I've begun treatments at Abundant Health, I'm now able to play golf again, which I was so looking forward to in retirement, and then all of a sudden with the back injury I couldn't play anymore. But probably the most important is I can actually pick up my grandkids. Oh boy, I hate to get emotional about it, but when you can't pick up your own grandchild, that hurts. So, but I can now, so I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm happy about that. So, for anybody out there who's gone through the similar things that I have with the pain and that, don't hesitate to try something new. Don't just go with the flow. Got to have surgery and that. I know several friends that have had the back surgery. They had a situation like mine, and half of them, they're still in pain. So now they have steel rods and screws in their back, and they're still in pain. I say, what if you got to lose? Give it a shot. Here's something that's non-invasive. It treats the root cause of the problem, and I can tell you, my overall well-being and health is so improved. And there's nothing better than waking up in every day and feeling good. And I feel younger. I feel more vibrant. I'm able to do the things I want to do. I'm able to go golfing. I'm able to pick up my grandkids. Just to live life in that without pain is critical. So if you're on the fence, jump off and try it. Jump in the water. The water's fine. You won't regret it.